Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, November the 7th. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of the Chesapeake Energy. CHK is the symbol. This is a 30 minutes chart. We can see right here that the right side stem is red, meaning that we do like for the downside and we don't like buying if that's the case, right? At least in the shorter cycle. And we can see the move to the downside now is unfolding as an impulse. We have a 1 2 3 4 5 ending with 1. This is with 2, and now this is your with 3. Let's check out the extension here. So we got a 161.8% extension of the wave 1. Typical relationship for wave 3 usually is the strongest, right? The strongest and the longest, which is what we have, and therefore we are looking for any bounce to fail in the shorter cycle for the downside, right? So this view here in the CHK is only for short term, all right, not for the longer term. Again, only for a short term purpose. We are looking for the downside to end this 5 ways down. We can see this is a wave 2 here, and currently that means we are still within the wave 3. Now that's more like a longer term view, but I want to show you in the 4-hour. Now just short term purpose, we can see this one looks impulsive. This one is what we got right now in the 1 hour, right? And if you just simply measure this, all right, this should be reaching at least the equality, right? And we should be targeting around 0.67. That's pretty big drop. If you think about it, that's almost 30% drop, right? So a 3 swings 100% can reach as low as 0.7. Now it may not be exactly 0.67, but at least like we've been talking about, at least we need to see a 5 ways down. So far it's only have 3 waves, and as far as the bounce fails below this wave 2 here, we should see another leg lower that can bring us to as low as 0.67. It could be it could end above that, but at least one more leg lower is expected. Now in terms of wave 4, typically again in the Elliott wave theory, should be usually around 23.6 and 38.2. So we are kind of close right now to where we can turn lower again. Ideally does not go above 50% of the wave 3 ideally, right? So I would say that this area approximately is the area where the stock can turn lower again to continue the wave 5 from here. Okay, so that's what we like with CHK. We are looking for more downside, at least another leg lower in the shorter cycle. So if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, and you can also try our service with 14 days free trial. I invite you to check out all other instrument that we cover, and the link to the 14 days free trial is provided in the description of the video below. So see you all again next time. Thanks very much for visiting.